Today we're going to be talking about setting up your command center. Before you can set up your command center, it's very important you select your booker. Tier 1, that is the authorities that approve bookers. They're saying the FCAF, the UK one, the Australia. So before you enter trading, make sure the brokers you are using are acceptable worldwide, but especially in your country. Because the painful thing is, after trading, trying to withdraw your profit, you can't withdraw or you find out it's a scam. So please do your research, whether they are regulated or not. So do your diligence. So this is what you need to do. The next one will be, like I say, your due diligence, your regulatory license, 245 support. There are some brokers that give you 247 support. Brokers like EP9, brokers like Valatex. I use them and they are okay because they allow you trade during the weekend due to cryptocurrencies. So the support, the customer care is 247, transparent fees. They tell you, okay, this is a tradable bonus. You can actually trade with it. So just make sure they are reliable. Then the second part is platform setup about your MT4 and MT5. Now I want to just make one thing very clear. MT4 and MT5, which is MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5, are not brokers, but there are platforms in which one can trade with. They make your trading experience easier. You can monitor your trade easier, whether you're using an automated system or not. And especially for manual traders, this is the best system for you. But please don't say it's a broker. They just they are there so that from your broker when you create a trading account, they're like the bridge between you and the market. Let me just put it like that. But they are not brokers. They are what accepts trading accounts from any broker in the world. Those trading prop firms, you cannot just trade the prop firm directly from the broker. Some brokers don't even give you that interface to trade directly with them. XNS can on a web version, but how many people can understand the web version? That is where MT4 and MT5 comes in. So don't get confused. It's a broker, it's not a broker. It's like a middleman between you and the market. So these are essential: 21 EMA, the 50 EMA, 200 EMA, and by EMA by now supposed to know what it means. Exponential moving average. On TradingView, it can be said as moving average exponential. They are all the same thing. ETRF, no, something to make you understand, because the advantage of MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 is if you're on your phone and your phone screen is small, you can't really analyze charts on TradingView. If you're using the web version, say if you're using phones like Pro Max, um big phone like all these tablets that have big screen, can use it because they allow you to set it. They have an interface in which you can still analyze your chart quickly from your MT4 or MT5. So I will do a video talking about how you can do this setting, where you should go and do all the settings. You may not add everything, but you can add the ones essential to you, like your 200 EMA, your RSI to know if it's overbought or oversold. So technical things, your moving average. So this all acts as risks calculator indicator. Real time, okay, what is happening? He has crossed the EMA 200 or the 200 EMA. So you'll not be looking for sell positions. What we're looking for is buy positions, depending if it's an uptrend or a downtrend. So this is the final part for this video. This video is not going to take time. The demo phase. Please, for beginners, have patience to learn with your demo. Let me say this again. Have patience to learn with your demo. Don't learn with your real account, because currently now, because of the whole inflation, money is not easy to get like it was just last year or 2 years ago. Do all your practice with a demo. Practice makes perfect. You must not be the victim of the market. Use your demo to do practice. Go through books. You have a question, meet me or meet any instructor that knows what he's doing. Take trades from a professional like us. Ah, okay, we are buying today. Enter the trade here. Set your stop loss at this. Set your take profit at this. This is very necessary. Even when that an instructor or a signal provider is telling you that you need to practice with a demo, because there are sometimes somebody like me, I can give a signal on my Telegram community, and for that day the stop loss can be 300 pips, and like I said, I trade gold, can be 300 pips. And now let's assume you enter with $20. Your first time, don't your own is okay. That giving trade, you are taking trade. That's why in one of my videos I talked about risk management. And I think I will see do another video again about risk management. Be like a 4 or 5 minutes video. Now let me tell you, if I give a SL on an SL of 300 pips, and you're entering the market with $25, $20. If you enter that SL, that trade, in fact, the MT4, MT5 you are using, or any broker you are using, won't allow you to place that trade, because one, 300 pips on a 0.01, that means you are staking $30 already. You can confirm from any trader. So sometimes you may even enter the trade, you may not have or put a stop loss. You start asking, where's my money? Ah, you are fake, you are this. Most of the time it's because you are too much in a hurry. There are some business I learned the hard way. There are some businesses you must follow process. Forex is one of them. Thank God in the last video I talked about psychology, and some of my previous videos I even talked about killing greed, killing false hope. Practice with your demo. No pips movement. From the model one, from introduction to now, everything I'm saying or doing, practice with your demo. Okay, let's even assume you can take some trade even without 300 people. Only some instructors that know what they are doing say, For those with $30, you can't take this on a standard account. Take this on a cent account. Use on a cent account 0.5 or 0.3 so that in case trade goes against you, you have what to trade again. I'm giving you the my empire's mount. Okay, oh, this is $30. I have home and away. You trade in cents. You build your capital with the smallest one. And you have 300, tell me $30. That's 3,000 cents. You divide it by 22 days. Divide it by 30 days. So what if by 30 days you want to be trading crypto? You can trade it in cents. That means every day you're staking $3. Your stop loss for that day should not be more than $3. I always guarantee people more wins than losses. I can't guarantee you 100% win. That means I am in charge of the market. I have somebody that gives me direct trades in Wall Street, which is not the case. So please, especially when you are testing out your new skill, I've seen another way of trend line. I saw this trend line happen to me. Have you tested it? Have you seen this? But okay, what if now you are testing the real account and market goes and hit your SL and return and you don't have where to fund again? You are the one that did yourself. Then the mental game starting. You are forced to either go, then you are entering the market with a greedy mentality, with a revenge mentality. It won't be good. So, like I said, treat your demo the way you treat a live account. Take unnecessary risks, size but you are not looking pa. You are gone. At least when we are even when you reach out to me and we are doing um chart analysis with your demo, you know how to do you set sell limit, buy limit. You need to know the basic things practicing with your demo. You can just drop set buy limit. If you don't know how to set it with your demo and calculating the exact lot size with the pips calculation, you might enter a trade that's supposed to use 0.01. If you use 0.1, one wrong move can blow your account. When people are in profit, you'll be in loss. So please use your demo, especially for practicing. Like I said, I prefer teaching you, showing you how it works on Forex than me just giving you signals. There's a VIP group me and my mentor are running, and in that VIP group, we do 1,000 pips daily, sometimes 200. Like this last week, we didn't trade for 3 days because the market was very choppy and dicey. It didn't meet our requirements. There are some days, even with the best analysis, any expert trader will tell you this. Sometimes they hit SL or break even. It hits the break even. That's why I guarantee you more wins than losses. Anybody is telling you 100% win, 100% win, 100% win. If it's 100% win, you can't follow up with that 100% win because there's some methods that will give you trades. They won't give you SL because that trade they're giving is a pullback trade. Those kind of trade you can't give an SL if you are trading from a pullback. So things like this you need to use a demo account. I'm following this person. Let me use a demo account. So that is all for this video. Thanks for watching. Remember, subscribe, like this video, subscribe for more updates, for more information, for more pro tips. Going to be dropping model 9, model 10, model 11 very soon. And I'm also going to drop this um, how to set all this on your charts on your MT4 or MT5. Thanks for watching. To have a nice day.